Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, but you can call me Muthu's ghostwriter for today. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? It's what fuels us up and gets us ready to tackle whatever challenges life throws our way. But let's be real, mornings can be super hectic. That's why Muthu wanted me to share some quick, healthy, and super delicious breakfast ideas that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. No excuses, people. Let's get this day started right. Okay, first up, we've got the classic smoothie bowl. It's a quick, nutritious, and delicious way to start your day. This one's a personal favorite because it's so versatile and easy to customize. You can mix and match ingredients based on what you have on hand or what you're craving. Throw in a handful of spinach or kale for some leafy greens. These greens are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for your health. Trust me, you won't even taste them. The fruit will mask the flavor, so you get all the benefits without any of the taste. Next, add in some frozen fruit like berries or bananas for sweetness and a thicker consistency. Frozen fruit also makes the smoothie nice and cold. Now this is important, a scoop of protein powder. This adds a boost of protein to keep your energy levels up throughout the morning. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. No more mid-morning cravings, it's a game changer for busy mornings. Finally, add a splash of almond milk or water and blend it all up until smooth. You can adjust the liquid amount to get your desired consistency. Pour it into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings like granola, nuts or fresh fruit. Boom! Breakfast is served. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious start to the day. Let's talk about Greek yogurt. This stuff is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it's also a good source of calcium for strong bones. Start with a cup of plain Greek yogurt. None of that sugary stuff. Drizzle some honey for natural sweetness and sprinkle on a handful of your favorite nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, they're all great choices and provide healthy fats and fiber. Feeling adventurous? Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Avocado toast isn't just a trendy brunch item, it's a quick and healthy breakfast option. Avocado is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats which can help lower cholesterol levels. Plus, it's a good source of fiber, potassium and vitamins C, E and K. Toast a slice of whole wheat bread and mash half an avocado on top. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. For an extra kick, add a drizzle of olive oil or a squeeze of lemon juice. And to make it extra special, top it with some sliced tomatoes for a burst of freshness. Okay, this one takes a little bit of planning ahead, but trust me, it's worth it. Overnight oats are a game changer for anyone with a busy schedule. Imagine waking up to a ready-made, nutritious breakfast that requires no effort in the morning. Overnight oats are a convenient and delicious breakfast option that you can grab and go on busy mornings. They are perfect for those who want to eat healthy but don't have time to cook in the morning. Simply combine rolled oats, your milk of choice, almond milk, soy milk or regular milk all work well, and a dollop of yogurt in a jar or container. You can also add chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra nutritional boost. Add a touch of sweetness with honey or maple syrup. You can also experiment with other sweeteners like agave nectar or even a bit of brown sugar. Stir it all up, cover it, and pop it in the fridge overnight. This allows the oats to absorb the liquid and flavors, making them soft and delicious by morning. The oats will soak up all the liquid and become nice and creamy. The texture is perfect for a satisfying breakfast that feels indulgent but is actually very healthy. In the morning, top with fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts or a drizzle of nut butter. You can also add dried fruits, coconut flakes, or even a spoonful of jam for extra flavor. Let's talk about a breakfast classic, the omelette. This versatile dish is a staple in many households and for good reason. This one's a winner because it's packed with protein and veggies to keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. Plus, it's quick and easy to make, perfect for busy mornings. Whisk 2 eggs with a splash of milk or water. This helps to make the omelette fluffy and light. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Make sure the pan is well coated to prevent sticking. Pour in the egg mixture and let it cook for a minute or two. You want the edges to start setting while the center remains slightly runny. Now here's where you can get creative with your veggies. The more colorful, the better. Add in some chopped spinach, mushrooms, onions, peppers, or any other veggies you love. The possibilities are endless, or whatever veggies you have on hand. This is a great way to use up leftovers too. Cook until the eggs are set and the veggies are tender. The aroma will be irresistible. Fold the omelette in half and slide it onto a plate. Enjoy your delicious, nutritious start to the day. So there you have it, 5 healthy and nutritious breakfast ideas that you can easily whip up in just 5 minutes. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the foundation for a productive and energized day. It's fuel for your body and mind. Muthu and I are both hoping these recipes will inspire you to make breakfast a priority. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy and have a great day.